So in this video, I'm going to show you how exactly I created this anime clip. The crazy part is that entire workflow runs inside a single AI platform called Flova AI. So what exactly is Flova AI? Flova is an all-in-one AI video agent powered by Cdance 2.0. And Cdance 2.0, if you don't know, is one of the best AI model right now out there to create videos. This AI model has capability to generate realistic, cinematic, high-quality videos, and in fact long videos with the audio and sound effects as well. But a powerful AI model like Cdance alone is not enough to create full cinematic movies, because Flova AI acts as a director, and it basically follows the entire content creation process that any professional director will follow, like starting from creating a script for a video, then creating creative brief, then creating the assets for that video, and then generating visuals including characters and environments and even audio assets as well, and then creating clips, and then creating different sequences using those assets, and then joining all of that into one final video. So instead of constantly switching between tools, you are essentially working with a full AI production studio all in one place. And now this is where things get really powerful. Flova AI is built on Cdance 2.0, which is not just a model but a full cinematic engine with multiple creative workflows. As I explained that to you earlier, I can take a script and turn it into a full video, transform a single idea into a complete scene, and even combine multiple inputs like text, images, videos, and audios as well. So instead of generating random clips, you are actually creating structured, story-driven content. So to start using Flova AI, just go to flova.ai or just click on the link in description, and after that you can sign up and then you will get some free credits, and now you can just start using Flova. Flova has recently launched some really exciting features, something like script to video. You can explore all these features in here. There is this commercial and brand films feature as well. So with this prompt, basically you can create high quality brand commercials. So all you have to do is just give your idea, provide your script, and then provide your brand details, something like logo or any other brand identity documents, and then Flova will create a full cinematic video for you. There is another important feature inside Flova which is called generator. Here you can just like directly generate videos, you can generate images, you can generate music, and even voiceovers as well. You can even use Kling 3.0 as well. So everything starts with a simple idea, and I'm just going to give my simple idea, which is create a cinematic anime fight in a cyberpunk city. That's my very unique idea. And what I'll do now, you can just like choose your models. So by default we are just going to use, of course, Cdance 2.0, or in fact we can just leave everything to Flova, and you'll see the difference that how Flova actually works is very different than any other AI tool out there. Flova actually works like an actual director. It is not something like you just give an input to generate a video and then Flova will just like quickly generate a video for you. What it does is, before blindly generating video for you, it basically starts with creating a brief. So you can see right now it is creating a creative brief for this video, for this idea. So our idea is simple, to create an anime fight scene in a cyberpunk city. That's our simple like idea. And now based on that, it will just expand, and then it will just create like a narrative for that story. It will create a whole story around it. Then it will create different sort of like characters. Then it will define how that character will look like, what that atmosphere will look like, and how many sequences there will be, how many shots there will be, how many camera angles there will be. So, and then after that you can approve everything, and after that it will start generating assets, and then it will start generating visuals, and then it will start generating the sequence. So you are not going to blindly get something random. You're going to get something very structured, something that actually makes sense. So right now you can see our creative brief is ready, and it has just created our project name, which is Neon Clash, and then the video type is narrative story, and then target audience is anime fans, cyberpunk enthusiasts, and young adults aged 16 to 30 basically. And then there is this visual style, and inside visual style you can get like all these details about visuals, cinematic anime, high contrast 2D 2.5D aesthetic with bold ink outlines. So basically Flova AI assistant first understands your audience, the video type, the target audience, the overall visual style, and everything about your video, and then it generates the video script as well. Right now you can see we have got different options. So you can create video as long as like 3 minutes, or you can create video for like 60 seconds or 90 to 120 seconds. So I think let's just go with 60 seconds, and now you can just click on next, and this is the aspect ratio for your video. You can simply just click on next, and now here you can just choose like the overall narrative for this video. It can be either character performance driven, or maybe hybrid voiceover plus character performance, or you can just totally do voiceover or totally do character performance. And then you can just click on next, and then you can just choose the sound effects tonality, and that includes like you can create something like synthwave battle or orchestral hybrid, or maybe dark industrial ambient. So I think I'll just go with synthwave battle, and then click on next. So this is the entire workflow here. And also you can see it has mentioned that we're going to use Cdance to create character visuals and audio as well. So you can simply just click on confirm now, and everything is confirmed now. So now what it is going to do based on this creative brief, it is basically going to now generate the character assets for us. So what it will do, it will create character images and character photos from different angles, and then it will create other different like environments for us, and also it is going to create a storyboard for us. So what makes this AI tool different is that you're not just like prompting the AI, you are basically collaborating with AI and you are involved in the entire video production process. So our storyboard is ready now, and you can see these are the key elements, and basically this is the storyboard about each and every single sequence for this video. Then our visual gen path is ready, which is like phase 1 is designing the cyberpunk assets, phase 2 is sequential fight animation. So these are two phases of like the visuals generation. So now everything is ready, and now it is asking us to how it want us to like generate this video. Do we want an entire video right now from here in one go, or we want to pause at a key checkpoint for our confirmation, or maybe proceed step by step with full control? So I think let's just go with the first step, which is pause at the key checkpoints for our confirmations. If I just go with this option, and now what it will do, it will start generating the assets for this video based on the script that it has created, and it will create the characters for this video, and it will create all of the assets for this video, including visual assets and audio assets as well. Okay, that's great. Our visual assets are ready. Our main character is ready. Just have a look at this character. So you can see for character consistency and to keep the character consistent in the entire video, it has created character's image from different angle to make sure that character stays consistent in the entire video. Similarly, it has created, I think this is villain. So this is the side view, this is the front view, and then this is another view, and this is the environment basically where we want this fight sequence to be happening. So you can see we got our main character ready, we got our villain character ready, and we got our environment ready. So here you can basically edit everything. You can give your feedback, you can adjust scenes in real time. This process, by the way, is called comment driven generation, which means instead of restarting everything, you refine your outputs step by step like a real production workflow. And this is exactly where most AI tools completely fail. I'm actually talking about consistency, because Flova solves the consistency problem in two different layers. The first layer is this character sheet. So you can see these are different characters, and these characters are already well defined, how they look like, what is their dressing, and every single detail about the characters. So it generates these structured character sheets using Nano Banana Pro. So basically this logs your character's face, outfit, and overall style so that it stays consistent across different scenes. By the way, if you want to add more characters, you can add more elements. You can add third character. You can ask it to like maybe define a third character's role, which is like logical in that sequence, and it will just generate that for you. So whatever Flova AI assistant has so far generated, it is completely editable, and you got complete control over the production. Also, if I create a character once, I can reuse that same element across all my scenes instead of regenerating it every single time. And again, I'm emphasizing on this particular point because this means that character appears in every single shot with the same design across all scenes without any randomness. And this is extremely powerful if you are building stories, YouTube content, or even full series, because you are no longer generating random clips but building a consistent universe. Now let's talk about one of my favorite features, which is called Node Rewind. If your story starts going in a wrong direction, instead of restarting everything, you can simply just go back to a previous step, and from there you can create a completely new version of your scene. And this allows you to test multiple storylines, try different endings, and explore different creative directions without losing your progress. Once your story, characters, and structure in place, this is where Cdance 2.0 becomes even more powerful. It is not just a workflow tool, but a system that gives you multiple creative engines to turn your idea into different types of content. So let's just come back to our video generation process, and here you can see the next steps are proceed to audio generation. So I can ask it to generate audio, and also I can just like ask it to maybe then generate the complete sequences. Proceed to audio generation, and then generate the complete sequences. So it will create the audio for our video, and then it will start generating the sequences. By the time it is busy doing that, let's just like talk about other features. So as I mentioned earlier, you can explore these different features as well. This first one is script to cinema, basically where you upload a script and it generates a full cinematic sequence with consistent characters and pacing. So all you have to do is just provide your script, and then it will generate a complete cinematic sequence. The second one is idea to video. So this is where you type a single idea and Flova builds the entire video automatically for you. Then there is this versatile reference, which allows you to combine text, images, video, and audio together to guide the output more precisely. Finally, there is this commercial engine feature. I told you about this before, and this feature is designed for ads, brand content, and high-end visuals basically. And this is where Flova goes beyond AI tools and start functioning like a complete creative system. You can generate the entire music videos in here. So using Cdance, you can just like upload your own music as well, or you can just like explain any sort of like certain sort of music, and then it can generate a complete music video for you. Music video. Now sometimes you do not need a full workflow, you just want something fast. So this is where the quick generator comes in. So if you just like go to this generator on the left side, if you just click on this, and it allows you to instantly generate videos, images, music, and voiceover from a single interface. You can upload an image, choose your resolution, choose your aspect ratio as well. And by the way, in terms of resolution, you can choose up to 4K. This is perfect for YouTube Short and social media content or marketing assets. Flow has recently integrated GPT Image 2 as well, which is an image generation model by OpenAI. And right now, this AI model is being considered as main competitor of Google Nano Banana 2. So whether you need a full production pipeline or a quick content generation, Flowa can handle both. Now let's just come back to our original project. So you can see it is still going on, and it has just created the audio assets for us. Let me just quickly play this one.
City, neon hides the blood, but it never washes it away.
Cool, that looks very cinematic. This is the music. Perfect. This is a synthwave battle music. Amazing. So let me just wait for it to finish the entire video generation, and then I'll show you the final results. So we got our final results, and let me just quickly play it. Amazing. This looks mind-blowing. And remember, this entire output was created inside a single platform.
Too slow, Tin Man.
Another spark fades in the sprawl.
Now here is something that most people do not realize. If you try to build this workflow manually, you would be paying separately for logic, visuals, video tools, and audio, which can easily exceed $120 per month. With Flova, all of this is combined into one single platform, starting at just $19 per month. If you want to try this out, check the link in description. And if you have any further questions about Flova AI or Cdance 2.0, just leave your comments in comment section, and I'll see you next video. Bye.